In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your margin investing on Robinhood, especially if you've been borrowing funds to pay bills while still keeping money invested. This walkthrough is designed for those using a PC, and I'll take you step by step through the process so you can see exactly what's happening with your account and avoid any potential issues down the road. Let's get started by heading over to Robinhood's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in robinhood.com. Once the page loads, log in using your credentials to access your account. Make sure you're on a secure connection and that nobody else can see your information to help keep your account safe. After you've logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Account. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for and click on Margin Investing. This is the section where you can see all the details related to your use of borrowed funds or margin within the platform. In the margin investing section, you'll want to focus on a key piece of information, margin used. This number represents exactly how much money you've borrowed through Robinhood's margin feature. It's important to keep a regular eye on this amount because borrowing more than you planned or not keeping tabs on your balance can quickly lead to fees or unwanted interest charges. If you see a margin used amount and you weren't aware you'd borrowed that much, this is a good time to review your transactions and make sure your financial plans still make sense. Now, if you decide you no longer want to borrow money to invest, or you simply want to stop using margin to minimize risk, you can easily turn off this feature. Go back to the account menu at the top right, click on it and select margin investing once again. Here, you'll see an option to turn margin investing on or off. Simply toggle the margin. Investing switch to the off position. Doing this will prevent you from accidentally borrowing more money in the future. Before the change takes effect, Robinhood will ask you to confirm this decision. Review the information just to make sure you're comfortable with turning margin investing off, then go ahead and click confirm. And that's it. You've now taken control of your margin investing status on Robinhood. Remember, keeping a close eye on how much you borrow and making sure you understand all the terms will help you avoid surprises and keep your investments on track. Thank you for watching and take care with your finances.